Nasa car.
Iniwan mo dun sa ganun?
No.
Binaba mo?
Nasa dashboard, oh. We're at the SM. Nag-iisang pirasong hotdog.
Wala nga, ayan o, wala. Walang hotdog.
Oh well, ganun talaga pag Jolly Spaghetti. Jollibee! Maganda yung super meal bean, no? Ito na yung alternative ko sa ano, yung sa beef or sa KFC. Yung combo meals. I like that combination. Go.
Okay, so, kanina sa car, we were talking about na yung planos, 1 piece chicken with
Oh.
rice.
Oh.
Tapos bibili tayo ng extra spaghetti
Oh.
with fries.
Oh.
Yung una namin option, tinignan. Yun nga, 1 piece chicken, 108. Tapos may dagdag na spaghetti with fries.
Hindi ko mahanap yung a la carte na ano, spaghetti. Nor even yung may combo siya ng fries.
Wala.
Parang dati may
Alam ko
may combo
wala.
na ganun.
You have to order it pa talaga na a la carte lang, sabihin mo pa. Pero hindi ko alam kung may decrease in price.
Yeah.
Ang buti na lang ayan. Ano, combo meal. Okay na din.
So this is the first time na subukan namin yung ano.
Technically, yung pinag-usapan natin, both are spaghettis, half spaghetti lang kasi siya.
Ah.
Pag pinagsama mo, we basically got one plate.
Yes.
Got one fries each. Yun na yung nag-happen. Okay na yun.
Yeah, sulit na.
For 180 po, yun na.
Ngayon ko lang din na-discover yung ganitong combo.
I think bago.
Which is good.
Dati wala to.
Nakita ko yung commercial, yung may round table eh.
Yung mix and match.
Oh, mix and match. Pero hindi ko alam if eto mismo yun. Iba pa yun, no?
Iba pa yun.
Pang combo meals, pang sulit meals din yung ganun eh. Tanda ko pa yung line ni Apex sa flip top. Mag-uwelga sa Jollibee, madalang placard. Dagdagan daw yung sauce na spaghetti. Yung ano, 39ers. 39ers eh. 2011 pa yung ganun eh. Who the fuck names their store people are people?
The government.
Because they're not people. They're aliens. They're reptilians. They're androids.
They're Mark Zuckerberg.
They're Mark Zuckerberg. Ayos tong cover. Don Quixote. It's my copy. Kita mo na, mahal na. Mahal na. The whole piece. Kapala. The whole piece. Kami-san can communicate. Uy, Mob Psycho. Mobu. Demon Slayer. Spy X Family. Uy. Hey. Look who it is. It's Best Girl. Si Best Girl. Asa. Asa Mitaka. Graphic novels talaga. How disrespectful. Real life Pinoy bands Blue Lock. May bibilin ba ako dito? Mobius Dickens or the White Whale. Where? Chabayan. Oh, yan ulit.
Hindi, kailangan kasi maliit. Like, di ba, tingnan mo, compare mo sa original size, maliit lang daw kailangan ni ma'am.
Sige, sige, ikaw. Pabala. Guess who we found? Kung saan-saan.
Ang ayos na, after mag-ilang oras ng practice, magbabadminton naman.
Bakit? Umuwi ka na.
Biling, bibenta pa sila nito. Let's go. Okay ka na? Where's Ash? Sige. All flip-flops. I'm going to Crip Top. While I'm in here doing the Crip walk with my sister doing the shift shot. Wearing a G-Shock on her earpiece.
Ano?
Wearing a G-Shock on her earpiece.
That doesn't make sense.
Like my Chris, I like to slap it off of her face. Like Chris Rock. Blocky. Block.
Expressos gives me this kind of vibe. Tignan mo.
Futuristic. Oo.
Ganyan yung vibe na nakikita ko sa Expresso. I feel like dito ko lang, stop. Each car has like, I
A
can
personality.
see a personality. Ganyan, ito. Yung one of those short dudes na mabait.
Oo.
Yan.
Smooth
Short
features.
dudes na mabait. Classy, it's a regular guy.
Parang yung ganito, yung parang hands in his pocket na parang ganun.
Oo.
Tapos singkit mata.
Oh,
Parang Korean, telenovela guy.
Tapos, itong white.
Parang tatay na na parang laging on guard.
Oh, it gives me that yung, bouncer dads.
Kalbo na bouncer dad, tas yung may singkit half smile na ganito. Pero millionaire yung naka-humble clothes lang pero millionaire yung dating.
Ito ba? I don't
Ito
know
ito yung black tires, black everything. Ito yung yung mamorenong tatay na nung bata trabador. Pero pagpapasok sa SM naka Sandor t-shirt lang. Ganun lang.
Ay, oo.
Hands in his pocket na ganun
Yeah, I
lang.
can see it. Okay.
Parang ganun lang.
Each car has its own personality.
Yes. Ito, googly-eyed yung likod eh.
Sa tayo nag-park. Dito
Ito.
lang, di ba? Sa second.
Oh.
Ay, dapat pala nag-CR ako. Okay na yun.
Okay, uwi tayo. Oh. Ako nga,
CR lang
bigla ako
ako.
na sa CR na rin eh.
Then, labas ulit tayo.
Yeah, guide me sa paglabas.